Okay, welcome back, my fellow aggressive learners. In this section, we're going to do about us. Remember, we just finished contact us, so we can actually collapse, right? We can collapse, we can collapse them, right? Remember, we did footer, so we're also going to borrow our footer and make use of it, right? We're going to borrow our footer and make use of it. Don't forget. So we come here. Remember, we have prepared header and we have also prepared footer. So we have footer, we have copied footer, all right? So let's go and look for our header, all right? This is it. So let us drop it here, all right? Good. So minimize this, right? Minimize this, minimize this. Good. Then the next thing is the content itself. So you would naturally want to create a section to manage your content. So in this section, what exactly do you want? You would want Adana's picture. Adana's picture. Where can I get Adana's picture? I think I did have her picture. So let me go to my upload and download one fine picture of her. Yes, her beautiful picture. Just her picture. Okay, let me quickly generate something on this interface and then let me just delete all of these things. Let me download first. Download this. Okay, good. So I don't want all these things. Just remove them. Just remove them. Just remove them. So I want this fine girl. Oh my god. I want Adana to be on this page. And one thing I want to do is that I want to give this thing a something like a dark background. All right, good. That's what I want to give it, and that is what I want to give it. So I'm okay with this. I think I want this. I want this, and if I want to do any magic, I can actually do Adana. All right, good. I can actually do. I don't need it. I don't need it. I just need the pictures. I just need the pictures. Good. I just need the pictures. Just there at the middle, and that's it. Stay at the middle. That's it. That's all I want. So download this for me, and then here we go. PNG. Good. Now I'm going to remember we have images folder. So I'm going to drop Adana's image inside. Oh, it's even called trumpet. So just copy it and drop it inside image. So remember, I already have Adana image. I already have this. Remember, that is not what I want. So I'm going to call this. Let's be very, very creative in naming our images. So I'm going to call this Adana underscore 2. All right. Good. Adana underscore 2. I think that kind of makes sense. Okay, good. So close this. So I need, remember I told you I need Adana's image. So this will be image src. Remember src. So where is the image coming from? It's coming from image folders, and I'm working with Adana 2. Sorry, please. I'm working with Adana 2, right? Good. And I would love to adjust the width. And alternative, let me call it Adana, so that if the image is broken, somebody would actually know what exactly is that. Of course, it's a self-closing tag. But let's refresh this page and see what is happening. Sorry, we're still in contact page. Go to about page. That is where we are. Now, is this not too big? So what do? We have to find a way to minimize it, make it much smaller. All right. So we're going to do width, width 300, and then height 300. I think that kind of makes more sense. Kind of makes good sense, right? Good. Though Adana is looking very small inside the picture. I should have made her much bigger, right? I should have made her look much bigger so that it will look absolutely beautiful. If you want to, it will look absolutely beautiful, right? I think this is more amazing, all right? So please go ahead. I'm going to download it, but I'm not changing it here. I'll change it at my own time. So good. I'm dragging this here. Don't forget, I'm using this to replace. I'm going to delete this Adana too because I want to use this one. I want to use this one, right? Adana underscore 2. That's all. That's good. That's all. That kind of makes more sense, right? Good. Good. Good, right? Good. So now the next thing I want is I want the name of Adana to appear under this place. And I want I want it in H3, right? H3. Adana, Adana. Just put Eze. Adana Eze. Ezemma. Right? Adana Ezemma. Then under that Adana Ezemma, I want to put something else. I didn't introduce you to what we call italics, right? Italics. Italics is used to place emphasis too on content. Alright, so I want to place CEO, CEO Adana Incorporation. CEO Adana Incorporation. Is that okay? Good. Good. You could also use strong on this. You could use strong on this. But what it means is that you're going to accompany it with what? A BR tag. A BR tag. And you're going to accompany this too with a BR tag. Right? Good. So we are in good business. Now let's shift the footer far away to Abyss so that it won't be our job will be looking nice. So let's copy this thing. Thank you very much. Right? Good. Good. So we're making progress. This is Adana, CEO Adana Incorporation. Right? Good. Thank you. So this is what we wanted. Now we're going to put the next thing we want to put after Adana's content is we want a paragraph that will describe her. All right, a paragraph where we're going to put Lorem, let's say 50. So it's going to generate 50 content that will talk about what do you call it? Adana, sorry. And then right above this header, we can call it, we can do H1 about Adana Incorporation, right? About Adana. Do you understand? About Adana. I think it kind of makes sense, right? Good. Good. It's making sense. So now, the whole thing we're trying to do is to trying to practice some of the things we learned and worked with and all that. So we're going to pick one of these things. Let's use the mark tag. Remember we did mark, mark. So just place the mark there. Good. Good. Now, this H1 tag, there's what we call marqueur. Marqueur. I'm going to put marqueur. Inside the marqueur direction, I'm going to use right, right? So, and I'm going to let me paste everything here, right? I'm going to paste everything here, and behavior, behavior. I think just this is all I want. I think I'm okay. Leave the behavior for now. All right? Can find out. I just want once you come to Adana's page, this Adana should be moving. All right? Good. Yeah. So that's it for this page. And I think we've added almost all we did. Then maybe another thing I would want you to look at is maybe I want this Adana to appear bold, right? I want it to appear bold. So what do? You can use B tag. B tag. You don't need to use B tag. Yeah, use B tag. B tag, not BR. BR is for you to create space down to the next line, all right? But this B tag is a bold, means bold. This one and strong. Strong is for emphasis, but this is for bold, all right? Now let's use there's another tag for formatting called small. Small. So let's paste this incorporation inside small. Did you notice any difference? So this is the way some of these things works, right? Good, good. Now let's use. Sorry, we're trying to practicalize some of the things we did, like add it into a project and see what it looks like. Now, just above this Adana, before this Adana, right, we want to put a HR horizontal line. Let's see what it looks like. Of course, by the time you do some magic and adjust it, maybe place this to this data here, this would naturally probably make sense, right? So, but this is just for us to practice what we're doing. So you can always play around it and get results. So, in that case, thank you very much and God bless you.